Hello, in this video I'm going to show the speed up tricks on Motorola Moto G86 Power. Okay, so I have a few things that I want to show you when it comes to the speed up tricks. Let's begin with the developer options and a few things that we can adjust in them. So first we need to get access into the developer options. To do it we need to click on the settings. Once we are here we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find About Phone. And now click on device identifiers and we have the build number and we need to tap on it a few times. In my case I also need to draw my lock screen and now we can see that we are a developer. Now simply go back, click on the system and now we have access into developer options. Now I want to show you a few things that we can adjust right in here. So let's scroll down into the bottom and let's find the specific options that I'm talking about. There should be somewhere in here. Okay, here are the first three. I'm talking about window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. As you can see, all of those options are set on 1x, but to improve the speed and the performance of our device, we can select them on off or on 0.5, but don't go higher than 1x. For me, the perfect balance between 1x and off is of course 0.5 because we will still have our animations. They will be a little different, but they will be still on. So for me it's like a perfect balance between 0 and 1. Also scroll down a little, find the apps, and we have the background process limit. And we can select it on at most 3 or at most 4. It's completely up to you. And now that's all that we needed to do in the developer options. Now open up the settings, scroll down, go into the storage, and in here you can free up the space by, for example, deleting some of the apps that you are not using. You can also, for example, find the unused ones. Currently there is nothing, but if you have some of the apps that you are not using, simply uninstall them. But remember that some of the apps are the system apps and you won't be able to uninstall them. But as more storage space you have, your phone will work faster. Because if you have a really slow storage space, I mean you don't have the space on your storage, your device might be lagging and not working properly. Okay, next thing is opening the settings and finding the apps. In here, click on the default ones. No, sorry, not in here. But in here we have a list of all apps, and in some of them you can, for example, clear the cache. It should work, for example, when it comes to the Chrome or any other browser. I'm just wondering where is Chrome. Okay, you can click on that. Now click on storage and cache, and you can clear the cache. Don't worry, by clicking to clear the cache you won't lose any data, but remember not to click clear storage because that will delete all of your data. But clearing the cache won't damage your data or anything like that. So clearing it from time to time is good for your device health and performance. Also, when you are using the phone for a longer time, and when you have a lot of the apps opened in the background, your device might work a little bit slower. That's of course because of the RAM, which is used for all of those apps. So if you have a lot of the apps opened in the recent one, and when you are not using them, simply close the unused apps. Thanks to that you free up your RAM, and your device also will work a little bit faster. Okay. Next thing, if you want, you can download some third-party cleaning apps from the Play Store. Simply open it up, type cleaner or cleaning, and you will have a list of apps. Remember that before downloading each app, read the reviews about them. It's not necessary, of course, but you are doing it, of course, on your own. So before downloading any app, it's good to read the reviews. Okay, and as a last thing, I'll show you how to perform a simple reboot, because performing a simple reboot from time to time, I mean once a week is completely enough. Will cause this that your device health will be simply better, because during the reboot the processes that are running in the background are being closed, the phone rests, we can say it in that way, and also this process frees up the RAM, and it might help with the speed of your device. So to perform a simple reboot, simply click the power button and volume up button, just like that, and now simply tap on the restart. Now, after a few seconds, the device will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.